In previous versions, when reporting operation quantities on production orders, Acumatica did not support non-sequential production order reporting. For example, if you had a production order with 3 operations and a user reports the second operation, the system automatically assumed that the first operation had been completed. The only way to report quantities on production orders was one operation after another. It was always sequential. But what if there were factors that prevented shop floor workers from reporting sequentially? For example, workers don't want to log in and out of production orders to report quantities during the day due to short cycle times. Or what if some work centers were not able to have computers in their area due to the dirty conditions? Some companies may also complete operation quantities in parallel or at the same time. For example, if you make clothing, you may cut the right arm and the left arm of the garment at the same time. These are just a few examples, but there are many more. Now, with 2024 R1, companies can configure the system in a way so that a manager has the choice of whether they want to have operations on a production order reported sequentially or non-sequentially. Let's take a look. With 2024 R1, on production order types, we've introduced a new checkbox, Automatic Backward Reporting. This checkbox is only available for production orders with the regular type. If a customer is upgrading, this will automatically be selected because the current behavior of the system prior to this enhancement was to automatically backward report operations or report operation quantities sequentially. Here, I've created a new production order type with automatic backward reporting cleared. When new production orders are created, the behavior of the automatic backward reporting checkbox is copied to the General tab of the new production order. This checkbox can be overridden as long as the production order has not been released. Notice that since I selected my new production order type, automatic backward reporting is cleared. We've also made a few changes to production order details. On the routing section of the screen, we added a new field that's hidden by default, but can be displayed by using the column Configuration dialog box. The new field is called Auto Report Quantity, meaning the quantity will be automatically reported. If the automatic backward reporting checkbox is cleared, then all of the non-control point operations will also be cleared. This means that the operations can be reported non-sequentially or in parallel. Let's see what happens when I select Automatic Backward Reporting on my production order. So if the Automatic Backward Reporting checkbox is selected, then all of the non-control point operations will be selected and the operations must be reported sequentially. This is for information only and cannot be updated. For clarity, we've also renamed our backflush columns. On operations, we renamed backflush to backflush labor, and on materials, we renamed backflush to backflush materials. So what does this all mean? We've enhanced the labor transaction, scan labor, move transaction, scan move, and approve clock entry screens to consider the behavior of sequential or non-sequential reporting. So, if the automatic backward reporting checkbox is cleared, this means that we are allowing the production order to be reported non-sequentially. A user can report a quantity on any operation without having to report a quantity on a prior operation. On reversal, when an operator reports a reversal, it will only reverse the operation that they are reporting on. Also on reversals, an operator cannot exceed the quantity reported in the last control point operation. The last operation, however, is not allowed to exceed the minimum quantity reported on the prior control point operation, since the last operation puts the item into inventory. If the automatic backward reporting checkbox is selected, the system will behave as it did prior to this enhancement and will force sequential reporting. Let's look at an order with our new production order type first. This order type clears the automatic backward reporting checkbox so that we can see the new behavior. Remember, when the checkbox is cleared, the system will allow non-sequential reporting. The production order has 3 operations, and our new field auto report quantity is cleared. We're going to create a move transaction for the second operation. Now, when I look at the operations, I can see that only operation 15 was completed. It didn't automatically complete operation 10. Now, let's look at another production order where automatic backward reporting is selected. Again, this production order has 3 operations, and our new field auto report quantity is also selected, which means if I'm reporting a quantity on operation 15, operation 10 is also reported. We're going to create a move transaction for operation 15. And now, when I look at operations, I can see that the second operation was completed and it automatically completed operation 10. In summary, with the new automatic backward reporting parameter, companies can choose to either require operation quantities to be reported in sequence or to allow the reporting of operation quantities to be reported out of sequence. This will eliminate the requirement of handwriting quantities and keying them in batches at the end of the day, resulting in improved accuracy of quantities reported against operations and improved employee efficiency.